welcome back to another video. It's your girl Shade, and today we will be talking about vitamins. Yes, vitamins. So our body actually communicates to us, but somehow we are the hearing and we don't listen. So today I will be talking about signs our body is showing us that it's actually deficient in certain vitamins. But before we get into that, if you are new to the channel, hi, welcome. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button before you go and turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified when I post, which is when Lab Squad, every Sunday. Alright, now let's get straight into it. What are vitamins?
If you know what are vitamins, you can comment it down below. But for those of you who don't know,
vitamins are organic compounds that we need in small amounts. Most vitamins need to come from the food we eat because our body does not produce them. Alright? Each vitamin has their different requirements. What do I mean by that? Let's take an example. Vitamin C. Vitamin C we need to get from our diet because our body doesn't produce vitamin C. On the other hand, vitamin D. No, you can get vitamin D from your diet, but it would not be in large quantities enough to supply your daily needs. However, the human body synthesizes vitamin D when it is exposed to sunlight. So that is the best source of vitamin D. Alright, there are currently 13 recognized vitamins, and vitamins are either soluble in water or soluble in fat. Soluble actually means dissolvable. It is able to be dissolved in either water or fat. So that is how you get the two types of vitamins. So what are the fat soluble vitamins? The fat soluble vitamins are vitamins A, D, E, and K. It is important to note that the body stores fat soluble vitamins in the liver and fatty tissue. No, these vitamins, if they are in excess, can be stored whether for days or even months. Alright, now let us talk about the water soluble vitamins. Water soluble vitamins do not stay in the body for too long because they cannot be stored. They are passed out if they are in excess in your urine. What are the water soluble vitamins? Vitamin C and all the vitamin B's. So now that we have an understanding of what vitamins are and how important they are to us, let us now dive into the meat of the matter. Signs our body has been communicating to us, but we just add ears and not listen. Brittle nails and hair. No, you know some people and I bite them fingernail and them fingernail just ever break up. What is that? What is that? It is a sign. When I always ask for sign, I want to get them, I don't even know. So a lot of factors can cause brittle nails and hair, and one of the main factor is a lack of biotin. But you never list that as a vitamin. Well, biotin is actually vitamin B7 and it helps the body to convert food into energy. Alright. Other symptoms of biotin deficiency include chronic fatigue, muscle pain, cramps and tingling in the hands and feet. Pregnant women and heavy smokers or drinkers are at the greatest risk for having a biotin deficiency. Realize that you're having brittle nails and hair. How can you, listening to your body, help it out? Now, food rich in biotin. Foods that are rich in biotin are egg yolk, fish, meat, dairy, nuts, broccoli, cauliflower, sweet potato, yeast, whole grain, and bananas. Whole heap of things to choose from. So basically you can just substitute these things in your diet to ensure that you're getting the correct amount of biotin per day. The next sign that your body has been calling you and you just not answer: mouth ulcers or cracks in the corner of the mouth. Now Lesions in and around the mouth may be due to an insufficient intake of certain vitamins or minerals, and this usually starts as a dry, irritated skin at one point, both corners of your mouth, or just one part, and can turn into bleeding sores that are painful. Now, lots of things can cause this, but it could also be a sign that you are low in iron or B vitamins like riboflavin. Now, in order to get rid of this, of course, there are foods out there that you can eat that can build up your iron or your riboflavin level in your body. These foods are poultry, meat, fish, legumes, dark leafy greens, nuts, seed, and whole grains. Alright, another sign that your body is crying out for help: bleeding gums. Now, I know someone out there rough and when you're brushing the teeth, like, is a jackhammer una use, so of course that will cause bleeding gums. But if you know that you haven't been brushing your teeth hard and you bite the soft toothbrush, you take a little time and your gums still bleed, it is a sign that you are vitamin C deficient. So other signs of vitamin C deficiency includes bruising very easily. You know, people walk and just touch you or pinch you, and when you look your hand black and blue like say you get abused. Yes, slow wound healing. You get a cut from last year Christmas when you try cook and all it don't heal, and about in a March, dry scaly skin. You put on lotion, by the time you reach your work, them say you never lotion. Frequent nosebleeds. Now these are signs of vitamin C deficiency. Why? How that makes sense? Let me tell you. Vitamin C helps make collagen, which is involved in making blood vessels. So bruising easily might be a sign that your capillaries are weak. Now, it also plays an important role in wound healing and immunity, and it even acts as an antioxidant by preventing cell damage. Our body doesn't make vitamin C on its own, so where we have to get it, we have to go out there and look it. The only way to maintain adequate levels of vitamin C is through our diet. And everybody know vitamin C, all we have to do is eat up enough fresh fruits and vegetables. Alright, so once you're doing that, you should have a good amount of vitamin C. And remember, vitamin C is a water soluble vitamin, so even if you have it in excess, all you'll be doing is passing it through in your urine. Your body will not be storing it. Alright, another sign that we have been ignoring: poor vision and white growths on our eyes. When last have you checked your eyes? Can you see at night? This might mean that you're having a vitamin A deficiency. So low intakes of vitamin A are often linked to night blindness, which reduces people's ability to see in low light or darkness. How this makes sense?
Me, I will tell you how it makes sense.
That is because vitamin A is necessary to produce a pigment called rhodopsin, and this pigment is found in the retinas of the eye that helps you to see at night. So if you don't have no vitamin A, you can't produce the rhodopsin, so you're not going to be able to see good at night. Everything I connect on the channel, everything. One of vitamins A main job is to grow and maintain tissues over every surface of our body, inside and out. So when you are low on vitamin A, you may have dry scaly skin, including dry lips. Alright, so if you don't get it, comment down below and say get it. So fortunately, vitamin A deficiencies are rare in developed countries. If you suspect that you are having a vitamin A deficiency, what you can do is try eating more vitamin A rich foods: dairy, eggs, meat, fish, dark leafy greens, and also your yellow, orange colored vegetables. And if you realize most of these foods are overlapping as you go along, so chances are we just need to add some green vegetable to our diet, and some fresh fruits.
I know I don't have meat in our diet already, so I'm gonna think that is the issue.
Moving on to the next sign that your body needs you. Fatigue. What that mean? Tired.
Like me ever tired. But why me ever tired is because I don't sleep at night and I work during the day.
So of course mega tired. But if you know say you will get adequate sleep, are you still tired? No, something not right. Maybe you have a vitamin D deficiency, right? It's a red flag that. It means say your vitamin D chronically low. Unlike other vitamins, vitamin D functions as a hormone. So every single cell in your body has a receptor to it. Your body makes it from cholesterol when your skin is exposed to sunlight. You just need to expose your body to sun a little bit more. We know Jamaican people don't like sun, but I think in the tropics we get enough sun, so we're not supposed to have a vitamin D deficiency. Also, you have vitamin D rich foods such as yogurt, milk, non-dairy, you know, the almond and the soy milk, certain fish like sardines, and even mushrooms that are grown under UV light. But as I mentioned earlier, the best source of vitamin D is the sun. Alright, so guys, there you have it. I've basically given you a few signs that your body needs your attention. It's time to wake up and answer. Know that you are equipped and know exactly what to do. Alright, so don't overdo it, guys. I know a lot of you are taking multivitamins and you probably take 2 different pack of multivitamin and when you take this and when you take that. Listen, we need vitamins in small amounts. You have 2 types of vitamins, right? You see the fat soluble vitamins A, D, E, and K. Those are stored in your body in excess, so you do not want to be having excess volumes of those in your system because your body will be storing them in your liver and in fatty tissues.
So basically you're gonna get fat.
Alright, so vitamin B and the C's, they are less worrisome because as I said, they are water soluble. So if your body realizes that they have reached their limit for the day, you'll just pass it out in your urine. Alright, so only take the prescribed amount of vitamins that your doctor has recommended, or read the label, ensure it tells you for your age or your gender. Guys, just be safe out there. Alright, also to confirm if you have a deficiency in any of these vitamins, there are blood tests out there that you can do that will tell you if you have a excess, if you are normal, and if you are having a low volume of that vitamin. For example, vitamin B12, you can go and request the vitamin B12 test, right? So there are tests out there that you can do. Alright guys, so how did we do? Did we learn something today? So comment down below if you have been ignoring your body and you probably have a deficiency in one of these vitamins. As I said, it is easy to correct. As long as you know that you have a problem, you can fix it. Alright, so that is basically the essence of this video. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.